Hi, I'm Rocky Roemer, president of Roemer Insurance and Insure My Rig. Recently, Stephen Kuhn, our internet marketing wizard, caught up with Mr. Steve Boyd, founder of Boyd & Sons Trucking in Washington, Indiana.
Hi, it's Steve Kuhn. I'm here with Insure My Rig. I'm here with Steve Boyd of Boyd & Sons Machinery. How are you doing today, Steve?
I'm doing good.
You know, this is exciting to be here at Pulltown, USA once again. What keeps you coming back for more?
Well, it's the biggest pool in the whole world, I suppose, and they have a good track. They work hard, do a really good job, and you know, we enjoy doing it.
Excellent, excellent. Is it the horsepower? Do you love that part?
Yeah, you know, I used to pull pro stock tractors. In fact, my son and grandson still does, and they're here for 2 tractors, and we have these 2 modified tractors, and we all enjoy it, but I don't know, I got tired of running the pro stock class. I won that championship 8 times.
Oh my goodness.
And I wanted to do the mods, and it's been fun. It's been a challenge.
Oh, they're exciting when you see them go. Now, how's the season going so far?
Well, we started off really well, winning a lot, and then we've struggled here lately. So we're not doing as good as we like.
On your rig here, it has 4 engines. How many horsepower are you running in this thing?
Yeah, we have about 2,700.
Oh my gosh, that makes my heart pound so much.
Yeah, if you add it up, it gets to be quite a bit. Makes the tires turn fast.
Sure. Now, you said you started pretty good time ago. How long you been doing this, do you think?
Well, I pulled actually in the early 70s, and then we pulled for several years, and then we quit for a while, and then we've been back at it again since 1998, so about 20 years, I guess.
Wow, that's a good long time doing something that you really like. Now tell me, how many folks you got on your team?
Well, it varies, you know. I suppose there's 6 to 8 of us, you know.
Mm-hmm. And who would you say is your top guy, your crew chief, or?
Well, Shannon and Brad, you know, they're really good at these engines and good at everything they do, and they're really, Shannon's really a good engine man.
Now, you have a couple of different tractors. Tell me about the different classes and which one this one's in. And
well, these 2 tractors are actually, we run the PPL series, Lucas Oil Pro Pulling League series.
Pro Pulling, yeah.
These are you're allowed 4 engines and weigh 7,800 pounds. Where today we're going to run the NTPA class, and you're allowed 8,000 pounds and 5 engines, or it's unlimited. And we just hope we have to run 871 blowers in PPL.
Yeah.
So you can run 14s or 18s here.
So what's the gain? 20% horsepower, 30% horsepower?
I don't know if it's that much. Depending on the engines.
Yeah.
You know, but we've been pretty competitive.
Sure.
Last year I went to 3 unlimited hooks. I went to Toma and Chapel Hill and Bowling Green, and I was second in 2 of them, and I won 1 of them. So I was happy.
It's a real privilege for Roemer Insurance to provide the trucking insurance for Boyd & Sons Trucking. But if you don't follow the sport, you may not know Steve Boyd and his sons and grandson are some of the most accomplished tractor pullers in the 50-year history of the sport. If you've never checked out the National Tractor Pulling Championships in Bowling Green, Ohio, you owe it to yourself to do so. The power of the motors and the excitement of the crowd is an experience not to be missed. This is Rocky Roemer signing off for the trucking insurance experts from Roemer Insurance and Insure My Rig. Be safe out there.